Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to review the ZD Toys Venomized Thanos action figure. 1/10 scale to mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much Laro Anan for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much for sending these action figures for unboxing, review, and customization. So we have Venomized Thanos and Venomized Iron Man. So dito muna tayo kay Thanos. Measure natin siya. He's around 7.25 inches tall. So size comparison na agad tayo. Thanos and Marvel Legends Disco Armor Iron Man. 6 inches to mga ma'am, sir. 6 inches. And we have ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 7. 7 inches tall ito. And then we have Venom 7.5 inches tall from Marvel Legends 2-pack with null. Then size comparison with Iron Man, mas malaki ng onti si Thanos. This is around 7 inches tall ito. 7.25 inches tall. Ito lang yung accessories na kasama niya. It's a rectangular base. It's a basic base. Hindi siya... Oh, spring-loaded. Nice. Spring-loaded naman to. Kaso, hindi kakasya sa waist ni Thanos. Sobrang laki ng waist niya. Siguro dito sa legs, pwede. Yung mga Venomized na design na to is from the Maximum Venom show. Marvel Spider-Man Maximum Venom na mapapanood, I think, sa Amazon Prime. Or sa Disney Plus. Not sure, pero... check ko mamaya if merong Maximum Venom, Spider-Man Maximum Venom sa Disney Plus. Alright, first let's discuss the build. Very solid build. Wala namang loose na joints. Very nice color palette. Yung color palette niya, we have white, purple, lilac itong mga veins. Then you have the Venom logo. Gagawa lang, i-customize din natin to para ma-differentiate yung logo dito sa white armor niya sa taas. Kasi nagma-merge yung logo ni Venom dito sa white na armor niya, or yung pauldron niya with the chest armor. Then you also have the Venom na symbiote, color white yung Venom symbiote na design dito. And then you also have the white portion here, or white section with sharp edge design. Meron din mga white trim para cohesive yung design dito sa logo ni Venom. We also have the white na protector here, white armor sa groin. Tapos dito, so we have the very big biceps, very bulky armor, yung very bulky figure, yung kanyang width around 5 inches. Grabe. Tapos sa likod, meron din siyang logo. Then you have the skirt here, the suit. Tapos sa legs naman, dito stick nitong detail na to, yung symbiote detail. Okay, soft plastic pala to mga mounters. So you can move that while we are painting it. And then pwede rin natin i-glue. Pero maganda yun, nakahang. Para meron namang variation. Kasi ito nakadikit na to eh. Yan, yung mga sculpt. Very nice color combination. You have the golds, the blues, the purples, the whites, and then you have the red tongue for contrast. Ang ganda. So, hindi very asymmetrical yung balance na ginawa nila dito ng design. Overall, yung Venom na Venomized na series, hindi siya lahat Venomized. So, iba yung design ng left and right. So, dito yung arm niya, merong Venomized na symbiote design dito, mga nakahang na veins, soft plastic. Tapos dito naman sa baba, dito naman yung may mga nakahang. So alternate siya. So dito sa right arm niya, may design, may Venomized design, dito rin meron. Ang ganda ng transition. So parang nababalot pa lang siya ng mga symbiote. Dito nabalot na. So it's color purple. And also you have the smaller vein detail na mas pink. Then you have the reddish tongue. Ganda rin ng, medyo zoom in natin ganda rin ng kanyang face design. So you have the eyebrows, or the ear, or the eye socket design na nag-extend. Then you have the black, tapos merong pink and white. Tapos yung teeth niya, sharp din, parang kay Venom. Then you have the chin design ni Thanos. Super nice. And then you have the white na jagged lines here across the head. Yan. Ganda rin ng pauldron. Very nice sculpt. Very solid sculpt. Hindi siya movable. Okay? So that's it. Let's go to the articulation. Head, move 360. Pwede 360. Nice. Tapos, hands up like that. Double jointed pa rin yung arms. Meron din pala siyang infinity gauntlet with the stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Very cool. And then, pwede natin ibaba. Okay. Hindi siya makakapag 360 na ikot kasi nabablock ng pauldron. Walang waist movement. Nothing. And then you have the ball joint sa kamay. Dito may articulation. Dito wala. So, sa feet, may thigh cut. Sa thigh pala. Ayan, meron. So, you can go 360. Double jointed ba ito? Okay. Yeah, double jointed. And then, you have the ball joint sa paa. So, that's it. Yun lang articulation niya. Very basic articulation. Pero, yung value na binibigay sa atin ni Z dito is to have this sculpted and designed. Very, very cool. Meron tayong option to have a display of Spider-Man with Spider-Man. We have the option to display Thanos X Venom from the Spider-Man Maximum Venom show. So that's it. Review natin. Again, thank you very much Laro Anan for sending the figure for unboxing, review, and customization. So if you want to have this is around 850 pesos only. So yun mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye bye.